Hey everyone, it's me, Alexis Rose, and welcome to the most beautiful house in Apollo Beach, like, ever. David, are you rolling? David, oh my gosh, can you stop texting Stevie and pay attention? Okay, so this home is like so boho chic meets a Florida waterfront. It's literally giving me Serena Van der Woodsen decided to retire here. Okay, so let's go in. David, let's go. Oh, guys, look at this entry. It is so bright. You think like Mora decorated for her next glorious comeback. Notice the floors, straight chic. David, can you please get a close up? David! Oh my gosh!
Yes, Alexis, I'm zooming. Okay, I don't know how to work this.
Seriously? So this living room is perfect for like binge watching all of my seasons of a little bit of Alexis or just a little bit of dancing. La, 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 la. A little bit of Alexis. La, 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 la. A little bit of Alexis. Alright, enough of that.
Yeah, and I'm sure it's also great for people who have hobbies.
Rude, David. Anyways, look at these windows. Perfect for natural light and taking a selfie. Get my good side, David.
If you have one.
Shut up. Okay, anyways. Alright, sorry. Hello. Hey, babe. Oh, nothing.
Excuse me, who is that?
Shut up, David. Sorry. Anyways, I'm just doing this stupid home tour for this realtor.
Lexi, are you serious right now?
David, I'm on the phone. I'm sorry. Just nothing. Okay. Oh, I miss you too. Yeah, well, look, I gotta go because David's being rude. No, no, you hang up. No, you hang up. No, okay, you hang up. Hello? Hello? Can you believe he actually hung up on me? Okay, anyways. This kitchen is insanely gorgeous. Like, you could totally do a cooking tutorial here if, you actually cooked. So, I mean, once I made tea in a kettle and it was transformative.
Lexi, I'm hungry. Can you check the refrigerator?
I'm not checking the refrigerator for snacks.
I'm hungry.
No, David. Fine. I hate you. Okay, they have like sparkling waters, some fruit, and I don't know, a whole bunch of other stuff. What do you want? Oh! Look at this.
Okay, fun fact, Alexis thinks boiling water is a personality trait.
David, that's so mean. Like, you don't even know how to use a microwave. Okay, like, this bedroom is legit a mood. It is so spacious and, oh my gosh, David, look at the ceilings. This is so cute. Okay, alright, let's go look at the closet and the master bedroom, or the master bath. Shut up, gosh. Oh my God, David, look at this master bath. It's like bigger than my studio apartment in Prague, which was actually just my best friend's living room. But anyway, this tub, David, it's a sitting tub. So chic.
Alexis, are you sure it's for sitting? I felt like this is the kind of thing where you try to take a bath and end up live streaming the whole disaster.
David, first of all, I once did a sponsor spa day in a tub just like this, okay? And they paid me like actual money. Second, I look amazing in bathtubs. That is me blowing you imaginary bubbles. Okay, so, all right, guys. Okay, so picture this: a glass of rosé, your phone on do not disturb, and just vibes. Honestly, this is where I meditate and like screen my ex's calls.
Or where you spend an hour taking selfies while accidentally flooding the bathroom.
Okay, that was one time, David, and it was for charity. So thank you. Whatever. Okay, can you like get me out of this thing? I need help. If I fall, oh my gosh, this is a bad idea. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is like one of my favorite parts of the house. Like, look at this pool, David. Can you imagine, like, us, not mom and dad, okay? Like, not mom and dad, but like all of our friends just hosting a huge freaking pool party here and just having so much fun.
Yeah, kind of like the time that I had to pick you up from Stavros because you were so drunk.
Okay.
That type of fun.
So true. Anyway, if you want to move in here and like live your best Alexis life, call me, or like literally you can call David, or shouldn't they be calling the realtor for this? Okay. Either way, just call someone if you want to move into this beautiful house. And I want to thank you so much for coming to our tour, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because as they say in Paris, c'est la vie, and as I say, love that journey for you. Okay, bye.
Okay, Lexi, are we done? Because it's hot, right? Can we go now?
Yes, we can go.
Please.
It's hot.
Can we go?
Jeez.
Okay, let's go.
Are you ready? Let's do it. I'm a Lamborghini. I'm a Hollywood star. I'm a little bit tipsy when I drive my car. I'm expensive sushi. I'm a cute, huge yacht. I'm a little bit single, even when I'm not. I'm a little bit of la, 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 la. A little bit Alexis. La,